For the videos on our YouTube channel, we need to create video thumbnails to make our videos more professional. We do this design in PowerPoint because it's so easy to do. One PowerPoint slide per YouTube video, and then we export the PowerPoint slide as individual images. Let me show you how I do this with PowerPoint. We start with a blank presentation. I make my canvas a little smaller and I add vertical and horizontal guides to my slide so that I better see the boundaries of my slide or image later on. Let's insert a rectangle here to cover almost half the slide. We change the slide fill slightly. I right click the shape and choose format shape. Here we change the line and set the sketched style to scribble, and I increment the effect a little. Now I select the rotation handle from the top of the shape and rotate it a bit, and I make it a bit bigger. Next step is that I add a new background image that illustrates my YouTube video. I choose a picture from my computer, enlarge the image so that it fills the slide. Now my guides become handy. And here I send it to the back of my rectangle. Now we have to make the rectangle a little bit more transparent. So go here, increment the transparency. That's better. And now I'm going to insert the PowerPoint icon to illustrate that this is about PowerPoint. And I insert my company logo. There it goes. Reposition this somewhere there. Next step is to insert a text box where we describe the video and the title. So we type in here data point, software demo or something. And we change the font. We are using a special font here. This one. So that's the fill font. We increment the font size. 60 is fine. Like so. And now we have to position this text box on the rectangle. And we have to change the spacing. It's a little bit too much. So we bring it closer to each other, the text lines. So select the text and make it white text. And now we can select some words and highlight those words with another color, like so. And now we can rotate this so that it fits the rectangle. And this is how it shows when we run the slideshow. We duplicate the text box, and now we're going to do a trick. We select the text and change the font, not to the font fill, but the font outline. Like so. And we change the colors into black. And now we position this text box on top of the other, so we get this nice effect. So this is how it looks when we run this, and this is fine. So now if we have another video, we can just duplicate this slide, and we just have to change the background image with another image that illustrates the next video. Here we have it. And now we can use the selection pane where we can hide the line font. We select the normal text. We can change the text with a new title or the new description of the next video. How to use PowerPoint for digital signage. We have to apply the font colors again. So white for normal text, a PowerPoint we put in yellow, and digital signage in yellow to highlight those texts. So we select the text and copy it. Now we make the other text box visible, right click, and we're going to paste, but not normal paste. We are going to paste the text only so that we keep the formatting. And this is ready. So when we run this, you see it like this. So now we can export these slides as PNG files to a hard drive. We can choose the location, we can choose to save or generate all slides, and this is ready. So now we have a folder where we can find one image based on the PowerPoint presentation that we have created, and we can now use this image as a thumbnail for every YouTube video on our YouTube channel. So now back on our YouTube channel, we can upload a new video and replace that automatic proposed video thumbnail from our video by this much more attractive video thumbnail that we created consistently in PowerPoint. Find out more at presentationpoint.com and like our channel.